this is the reason why you need to repot your container plants every couple of years, because this Gaillardia is a massive difference to how it was last year. And I've counted today 40 flowers, and last year there was only about 5 or 6. And it's very easy to do, and you don't need to repot it into a bigger container. You can repot it in the same container. It's just a question of fixing the roots, because a lot of container plants will become root bound within 2 years. So it's worth checking that, and it's worth fixing it, because the results, you'll get better results in the year that you do it, but the following year, the following season, you'll get a much better improvement of the overall plant. You'll get a much bigger plant and much more flowers. And I'm seeing here now, there is a potential. I've just counted 40 flowers. Only half of those flowers have come out so far. So this is going to look even better in a few weeks' time. So if you want to get the best out of your container plants, check out my video here. And believe me, it will really revitalise your plants, and you won't need to think, oh God, that's a dull plant, I need to buy a new one. So check it out, and thanks for watching.